Okay, so first things first, let's draw out this line over here. We know the area of ABF, so I'm going to say ABF area is equal to the area of CDE, which is equal to half times 1 times 4, which is 2. Okay, so now let's try the next star part. So this is 3. So we're going to venture out into something called similar triangles very briefly. And what that means is that when two triangles, for example, are like scaled, so for example 1 1 1 3 3 3, so you multiply this stuff, and if the angles are the same, then they have common properties, and the properties are that if the common ratio is k, then the area are in k square ratio. There's other parts to it as well, such as the heights are in k ratio, and of that sort. So here we're going to apply similar triangles, and for similar triangles you have a couple ways you can do it. There's something called AA similarity, SAS similarity, and SSS similarity. So what this means is if two angles are same, two like corresponding angles of a triangle are the same, then the two triangles are similar. This means if two sides are in ratio and the angle in between them is the same, then they are similar. And the last one is 3, corresponding sides in ratio. So those are the 3 ways to go about it. So in this case, we have similar triangles, which are, so if we label this as X, then we have triangle BCX is similar, so this is similar sign to triangle, so it's BCX, so it would be EFX, so EFX. So what this gives us is that BC over EF is equal to the height of BC, the triangle BCX, and the height of the triangle EFX. And so BC is equal to 1 and EF is equal to 1, so 1 over 3. So evidently this height is 1 and this height is 3 based on similar triangles. You could also just kind of look at it and assume this is true, but based on similar triangles, this actually proves that to be true. So right now we have that the total area is obviously 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. So now from 12 we're going to subtract the 4 we got from these triangles, and then from the other triangles we're going to subtract half times 1, right? Minus half times 3 times 3. So that's 8 minus half minus 9 halves, which is equal to 8 minus 5 equals 3. So that's our answer. Okay, so the next example is quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezoid where AD is equal to 15, AB is equal to 50, BC is equal to 20, and the altitude is equal to 12. What is the area of the trapezoid? So we did a similar problem before, and so I would encourage you guys to apply that knowledge and try to do it. Here it's a little bit different, but you can still do it with the same idea.